How are you? Okay, so we're going to talk about this book. A Tale of Two Little Engines Together They Could. I don't know if you remember this book. I read this book to you a while ago. I was in a tree. So go watch that video if you haven't seen it, because we're going to talk about this book, okay? The link should be below the book that I was in a tree, okay? So after you've watched that video, you're going to come back, and what we're going to do is we're going to figure out the sequence of how that story went. There's a beginning and an end, and some stuff happened in the middle. We're going to see if we can remember how it goes, okay? So let's see. What do you think is the very first one we should put? Okay? The cover of the book. So let's start with this one. What comes next? Who can tell by these pictures what's happening? Okay, let's think. This story starts out and there was a little engine who was working hard to deliver some toys and goodies. Let's see. She tried and she tried and she just couldn't get the toys over the mountain. What did she do next? Did she ask someone for help? Who did she ask first? She asked the blue engine. Did the blue engine help? No. What did the blue engine say? That's right, he said, I am shined and polished and ready for tomorrow's work. I will not help you. Oh. Okay, so what did she do? She decided to keep trying, huh? And she decided to ask someone else. That's right, who did she ask next? Which card is it? Recognize? There it is, that's right, she asked the black engine. Did the black engine help? No. He was too tired. He couldn't help. So what did she do? Did she give up? No, she did not. She kept trying. What did she ask next? This little blue engine. The blue engine is almost the same size, but she said, I'm going to ask this small friend anyways. Huh? Okay, she helped the bunch. What did the blue engine say? Yes, I'll try. I'll try to help you. What happened next? The blue engine tried. They helped and tried. That's right. Okay, we're almost out. Let's see. Did it work? Did the two of them together do it? Teamwork. That's right, they did. Teamwork. Nice job. And what do you think happened last? Oh, the good little boys on the other side of the mountain got their toys. Look at that. Awesome. Okay, here we are. We have the cover. We have the engine. Couldn't make it over the mountain. Blue engine said no. Black engine said no. Blue engine said yes. They helped. They worked together. They teamworked up the mountain. And she made her delivery. Oh, that was fantastic. You guys, thank you for helping me put that together. Walker. Bye, guys.